Hey there, welcome. There are a lot of things which you can change on your home screen of your iPhone. So, first, if you want to change the wallpaper of your iPhone, you need to go to your settings, and after going to settings, you swipe down and you will find this option called wallpaper. Tap here, and now you need to select this custom button from here. Now from here you can change the color, gradient, or you can choose a custom pic from your photos app. If you have a customized wallpaper which you want to place, you can choose from here. So this is how you change your wallpaper. If you want to change the app's location or position, then you need to hold your screen and the app will be jiggling. So if you want to change the position, for example, if you want to change this app store position to the left, you can do it, or you can take out of the folder. So if you want to place this position to the top, you can do it. And if you placed a app on top of the other, it will create a folder. As you can see, it has created a folder. So if you want to take the app out of the folder, tap here and drag it out, so it will undo the folder. If you want to delete an app, press the minus button, and from here you can delete the app. And if you want to remove it from the home screen but you want to keep the app on your device, then you can only tap this button, which will remove the app from the home screen. But when you search it from your app library, you will find the app. So these are the things you can do in order to change your iPhone's home screen. Thanks for watching.